What is going on, guys? Welcome back. It is like a Thursday and I had to itch, to get something done. It's like 5 o'clock. I just got off work and I want to see if I can't get these seats out and get them cleaned. I decided just to take the whole interior out anyway, just because we got something special coming for the interior. We're gonna get that this weekend and hopefully put that in this weekend. But we just got it back from the alignment shop, and it is driving very nice, very nice, nice and straight. And they did a pretty good job. A funny fact: after all that work they saw that I did, they actually offered me a job at the place. I had turned them down, but they offered me a job and I felt pretty good about it. So they must have thought I did pretty good work. So there's that. So without further ado, let's get into this. Just like that, we are done. Look at how disgusting this was, even after I vacuumed. Glad I did this. Yum! I'll give $1,000 to anybody who comments that wants to eat that. I'll ship it to you, and you can eat it. $1,000. Actually, some crazy ass will probably do that, so no. I'm not doing that, but $50, yeah, I'll do it for 50 for sure. You have to make a video of you eating it. So if anybody's wondering, these Starbit things, you don't need any special sockets. This one's an 11 in the back. These up here are 15, and everything back there is 18. And it comes right off. Actually, those aren't stars back there, so you don't even need, obviously you don't need a special bit. But I suggest impact for these because, yeah, they're really rusty, and I was struggling with the ratchet and didn't realize you could get them with impact, and it's not that hard. You just slide the seat forward and back, you can get everything, and it comes out way easier. So let's get these cleaned. This carpet will have to wait for another day when it's not dark. Okay, so we're set up inside. We've got our little Bissell spot cleaner. Got this Facebook Marketplace special, $20. I think it's gonna do great. We got the old carpet cleaning head there, and shop vac right there for cleaning up the bottoms and stuff, or any loose things we see. Let's get a clean up. Alright, we went to town on this one. We're gonna call it on this one. It's looking pretty good. Could probably go over this about 1,000,000 times and keep getting dirt. But I went over about 3 or 4 times and I think it's good. It was looking a lot less dirty when it was coming out, so that's good. We gotta relocate. A dude's back is really hurting. This is not ideal. We're gonna go to the basement, sit on the table, and get the rest of them done. Here we go. So we got the seats cleaned. We're gonna get vacuuming and cleaning this carpet. As you can see, it's freaking nasty, especially under the seats, even after I vacuumed the first time. So we're gonna see if we can't get that right, and if we can't, well, we'll just burn the whole thing down, I guess. Just kidding. All right, here we go. What is up? It's a couple days later. Now that we got the interior cleaned and the seats cleaned, I made a special junkyard run yesterday, and this is what we got. This nice, nasty, but some serious potential on it. Center console. Need the serious clean. That's what we're about to do. Glove box for the trim as well. I got that piece right there. I don't know if I need that, but whatever. And then also, we got 4 OEM flares. So we're going to be slapping those on at a later date. But today, our main focus is to get the console and the interior back together. Let's do it. Okay, so that took a while, but alas, we got the cutout for that, and it turns out that shifter now that I bought from Junkyard was not the right one, so something happened, and we had to make a new one. It happens, so I had to modify that one. Hopefully that doesn't hit my leg when I'm sitting down, so we're about to find out. But like I said, we cut that out, and we got that knob extended, console in. Just had to put the dash back, and then we're gonna get everything back in. So here we go. And just like that, we are done. Console is looking nice. Just got that sitting there because I got some plans coming up for the cigarette lighters. Do some high output USBs in there. We're gonna change the radio, put the steering wheel controller in, and we got the back seats in, obviously, and the interior's looking really nice. Stay tuned. All right, it is the next day. Next project here is to get rid of this dented door. You see that's a pretty massive dent there. With this one I picked up on Marketplace for 50 bucks, same color, got a pinstripe. We're gonna have to get rid of that pinstripe, but other than that, the outside of it's in really good shape, paint's in really good shape. There's a little bit of rust on the seal on the inside, but no worries there. We'll get that done, diddly taken care of. And let's get to it. And we're on. Nice pinstripe there. Wasn't too bad of an install. Had to use the original wiring harness just because I had an extra couple plugs or something, and I guess I had an aftermarket speaker in there, so I kept that. So that was bad. Threw that in. And then getting this door handle out was kind of a pain. You kind of, for this one, there's a bolt over here, and you kind of gotta fish your way up through here and get it with a 10mm wrench. That's the best way to do it. Oh, there's that piece right there. Look at that. Pop that on. Perfect. I left the dash open because we're gonna throw in the aftermarket radio, and I'm actually gonna take the one out of the Jeep, nice Kenwood, and we're gonna throw a piece of junk in there because we're phasing out the Jeep. So we're gonna still replace it with a little bit of a cheaper Amazon one, and then throw that Kenwood in here with the steering wheel control module, and hopefully get that working. So here we go. All right, we got it done. It is a couple days later, actually. I thought I was not going to be able to use the steering wheel control interface that they sent me. Well, turns out you can use it. So anybody wondering, if you're doing something like this and you're going to use a pack SWI RC, you can use the new SWI RC1. You basically just have to dumb it down and make it like an RC. Basically, you're just going to wire it in the same way. You're going to use your yellow constant 12 volt, your red accessory 12 volt, your black wire for your ground, and then the single green wire, which on the new one it's like a turquoise green, and that's going to go down into your light green B31 thing, and you can look that up on their website, SWIRC, and you can use this wiring guide to find the wire that you need to tap into, and then basically you'll use it the same way as you would with this RC. You'll use it the same way with the RC1. If you have any questions, I'll get back to you on that. Other than that, it works great. After a little bit of programming, that's the other thing, is you can't use the programming for the RC. You have to use the programming for the RC1, which is also on their website. You can find that. I can guide you that if you need anything. But we got volume here. We got Seek working good, and then we got I can answer phone calls and decline phone calls, and then if I'm playing actual music for my phone, just it's track up and down volume, and then source, you can switch source to iPod or whatever. So it works good. New radio is good. I knew it would be because I had it in my Jeep, so pretty pumped about this one. I think we're gonna call it a day on this video, and we'll see you guys on the next one. We're gonna get into some rocker action. That's gonna be oh so fun. Peace.